In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Monday.com boards to different accounts. Whether you're managing multiple clients or collaborating with different teams, being able to transfer your work can really streamline your workflow and eliminate redundant data entry. So let's get started. First, we're going to begin by navigating to Monday.com. Simply open up your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, you're going to want to locate the plus button. This is your go-to tool for creating new items, from boards to folders and more. Click on this plus button. Next, we're going to be creating a folder. This folder will host the boards you want to transfer, so click on the option labeled Folder. Now take a moment to name your folder. Be sure to choose a name that logically describes its contents, as this can be helpful for you or your team members when you look back months down the line. With your folder ready to house your boards, navigate to the necessary board. Here, you have to spot the three dots menu, widely recognized as the More Options icon. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you will want to select the Move To option. In the options presented, choose Move to Folder. This allows you to streamline and organize your workflows under the newly created folder. Once that's done, go ahead and select the folder you just created. This step ensures that your boards are neatly packaged for an easier transfer process. Now locate your profile icon, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and then navigate to Administration. This leads you to a broader settings interface where you'll find various administrative tools and settings related to your account. Once you're in administration, look for Cross-Account Copier and click on it. The Cross-Account Copier is a handy tool that facilitates the transfer of boards between accounts, making it a key step in our process today. You're now ready to specify the destination account. Enter the destination account name or email address where you want to send the boards. Be precise here to ensure your data moves to the intended account. Finally, click on the Continue button. This prompts the system to initiate the transfer process. Depending on the size of your boards, it might take some time, but once completed, you'll have successfully transferred your boards, making them accessible in the new account. And there you have it, a seamless way to migrate your boards in Monday.com from one account to another. This process not only saves time, but ensures that all your data is organized and easily accessible wherever you need it. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!